Hello, my name is Anand Panumat. My number 10 in section 2. Vocabulary: safety goggle, lab coat, chemical, hazard, property, equipment, spill, flammable, warning sign, warning signs, procedure, collocation, where safety goggle handle chemical carefully, formal safety procedure, clean up spill, stir chemical properly, idiom, better safe than sorry, better have than sorry, so always wear protective equipment.